This is the Formax FD 346 tabletop friction fed folder. This unit is manual setting. You can tell that by your open fold plates here. And this is your fold stop position. That's what you're going to adjust when you want to change between your fold types. And you can see the fold types are dictated on this little sticker that's on the side. Now this is the same on the lower fold plate as well. So this is your upper fold plate. And then you've got your lower fold plate hidden down underneath here. It's got the same kind of measurements here, giving you the indicators as far as where you need to put this fold stop position to create the fold type that you desire. Now in this case, I'm going to set this to an 11-inch C-fold or letter fold. And keeping in mind this unit can do 14-inch all the way up to a 12 by 18-inch sheet at up to approximately 160 GSM paperweight. Now it's a manual setting unit. It's going to be a static speed. You don't get the adjustable speed like you get on some of the other higher end models on this, but you do get an LCD screen. So in this example, I'm just going to hit the one-time button. It's going to run one document, and you can see you've got a tri-folded or a letter folded 8.5 by 11, nice crisp fold on that. Now this is just 20-pound bond. If you were going to something that's, let's say, a text weight paper or something like that, that is going to do the same thing, but you got to be conscious of the paper weight. So on the screen, you've got a resettable counter. So if I want to reset that, I've got stop, start. I've got a batch fold function here. That'll allow you to say, hey, how many pieces do I want in the batch? How many batches am I making? And what's my delay on between each batch you're going to? And then you get your one-time button. So this unit is simple as can be. Obviously, it's a tabletop unit. It is easy to use. It does come complete with a cross-folding arm. Let's say, for example, you wanted to do a second pass. Well, all you would do in this case is you would take this arm and then you'd latch it into here. That's going to give you, and actually you're going to go in this direction. That's going to give you the helping hand that you're going to need to do a cross-folding feature. So if you want to run a second pass on a set of documents, let's say you're folding in half on the first pass and you want to fold it 90 degrees, half on the second pass, you can do that. This can also be optioned out with a top-mounted multi-sheet feeder, the FD 300-20. That's a couple $100 option. It's actually included on our higher model, the FD 38XI. We do primarily build these here in New Hampshire. All the QC is done here. They do ship out from here in New Hampshire. And again, this tabletop folder will make short work of everything up to and including a 12 by 18 at up to about 160 GSM paperweight. It's fast, it's efficient. Get yours today.